Hello, and congratulations on your purchase from Elite Metal Tools. We appreciate your business. In this short video, we will be discussing the next steps as well as what to expect in the coming days and weeks. Whether you purchased over the phone or online, you'll receive an email containing an order summary. Please review this order summary and let us know if you have any questions. Frequently check your email for updates, including tracking information. Once your order is confirmed, we get a hold of our partnered manufacturers and our partnered freight carriers to coordinate the processing of your order. Upon processing, assembling, and packaging your items, we contact our partnered freight carriers to pick up and begin the delivery of your purchase. At this point, you'll receive tracking information in your email. Upon delivery, you are responsible for the unloading, inspection, and setup of your items, unless otherwise specified in your order. If a liftgate is required, a small fee will be charged in your purchase. We ask our customers to thoroughly inspect all items in their order prior to signing the bill of lading. If there is any damage, either to the packaging or the item itself, do not sign the bill of lading until all damage is notated. As always, if you have any questions regarding your order, or if your items arrive damaged, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. On behalf of everyone here at Elite Metal Tools, we thank you for your order and appreciate your business. We hope to work with you again soon.